Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to be talking to Dr. Whelan, a distinguished psychologist working with over 30 years of experience helping and cultivating transformational growth in people's lives. Today we're going to discuss how a wellness coach can help you on your journey of becoming your best self.
Part of the role of a wellness coach in maintaining motivation and dealing with setbacks is that a wellness coach doesn't have to really focus on that part of it. It's really how to keep them engaged, how to look at people's strengths, what they're doing well, and really rolling with that. So again, it's not about duplicating what's happening in a, quote, mental health therapist's office. Now, having said that, it's probably good to have a dialogue between the therapist and the wellness coach so that there is a dovetailing of effort for clients. Clinical psychology would focus on diagnosing what the problem is, consistent with, let's say, the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual, and would focus on what are the, let's say, the errors in thinking or the problematic emotional struggles to be solved. About how do we keep the person motivated to practice what's talked about in the therapy room outside. And that's where I would see a dovetailing of effort between a psychologist, quote, a clinical psychologist, and a wellness coach, that really they're a team ensuring that what's talked about in the therapy room is actually happening in people's lives. We know that people don't start from, let's say, square one and end up at their success goal in one shot, so to speak. It happens incrementally. There's often setbacks. People need reinforcement. They need reminders. They need repetition. And so the more consistently that occurs, the more likely they'll be able to make the longer term goal in an incremental kind of way. And a wellness coach can serve well there, as I've said, both in terms of consistency and are focusing on the direction. They're not necessarily focused on symptoms. That's somebody else's role. And that way can help people continue to kind of move forward, even if it's baby steps or sometimes a larger step toward goals that they've identified. And that's important.